friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about 3 ways that you can build your online shop. If you're looking to sell something online but you don't know where to start, this is the perfect video. We're just gonna go over a basic overview of 3 ways that you can build your online shop. So let's get right into it. The first way to build your online shop is with WordPress and WooCommerce. WordPress is great because if you want to add additional features to your overall website, you can do that, and it also allows you to fully customize the website to your liking. Now with WooCommerce, you can add other features that are shop related to your website. However, you just want to check to make sure that you are on top of the pricing plans for each of the plugins. Some plugins have a one-time fee, others have a recurring monthly or yearly fee. So you just want to make sure that you're taking into account the cost of these plugins and the features that you're adding to your website when you're initially getting ready to do your build. You can add more features to the WordPress site should you need to, and that can make your website super powerful. WordPress is also great because it allows you to fully customize the website. It's also the most budget-friendly option. However, there is a learning curve that you need to pay attention to when you are starting out with WordPress plus WooCommerce. The good thing is there are a lot of resources out there that you can use to build your WordPress plus WooCommerce site. The second way to build your online shop is with Shopify. Shopify is an all-inclusive package, and it allows you to build your online shop with everything that you already need. And the one caveat is that it can get pricey if you're not selling a lot of items. The other caveat with Shopify is that if you want to fully customize your website, it's harder to find a specialist that can develop the theme for you. So what I would suggest is actually starting with a Shopify theme to build your shop, and then find someone who can help you customize it later on when you have the budget to do so. The third way you can build your online shop is with an app called SpreadSimple. SpreadSimple is great because it is a website that is powered by your Google Sheet. So what you're going to do is collect all of your data and put all your inventory in a spreadsheet, create your Google Sheet. Then when you're ready, you're going to connect your app to the spreadsheet by using the share link. When you do that, you can pick and choose which fields you want to include in a card view or a list view. Once you're ready, you can use this to be your online shop, and they also have payment options for when you're ready to turn this into an online shop. Now, with this option, there is one quick caveat, and it is that it's not the most customizable website, so you just want to maybe pay attention to that, which is why the best way to do this is with option 1 plus 3. So what does that mean? You're going to create your overall website with WordPress. Then to create your online shop, you're going to use SpreadSimple, and you're going to use your Google Sheet to manage your inventory. When you're ready, you're going to grab the snippet code you're going to grab a code snippet that you add into a code block on your WordPress website. That will allow you to have a section that is just for your shop, but customize everything else that you need on your website with the WordPress. So that gives you the best of both worlds. And that's it for today. If you liked today's video, we have another quick introduction video on how to automate your business, and that is going to be right here. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you in the next one.